Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is solutions or suspension. As always, adult supervision is required. What you need for this experiment is an overhead projector, transparent plastic cups, soda, milk, muddy water, an unopened can of clear carbonated beverages, and any other liquid. So I'm starting off with an overhead projector with an empty transparent plastic cup sitting on top of it and viewing the wall, and then I will demonstrate from there. Alright, so we're going to start off with 7-Up, which is our clear carbonated beverage. It is closed and sealed because we have to open it up right now, and then we're going to pour it into the plastic cup on top of the overhead projector. And then to find out if it's a solution or a suspension, it would have to be clear, which you would assume it would be because it is a clear beverage. Well, it will come through because it is a solution, as the light does go through the beverage and you're able to see it. So it is a solution, it is not a suspension. So we'll try some other different liquids and see the results on those. Well, here's the 7-Up one more time, straight in front of it, as you can see as the bubbles release, and you're able to see through the solution. Here's an RC Cola, so a little bit darker, so you might not be able to see this one, you think. And as we wait and watch, just like the 7-Up, when the bubbles disperse and the CO2 goes away, you're able to see through. So it is a solutions, right? So I got two more to show you, tonic water and milk, but I'm going to explain the science behind it as we do these. This demonstration graphically illustrates the difference between a solution and a suspension. A solution is a homogeneous mixture with only one phase. It will never settle out, and it'll always be transparent, as we see here. A suspension is a heterogeneous, and it has two or more distinct phases. Muddy water is a temporary suspension, where it is dispersed particles will eventually settle to the bottom. Substances like milk, which we'll see next, are also suspensions, since particles are dispersed rather than dissolved. On their overhead, solutions appear transparent, since their dissolved particles are so small that the light can easily pass through the solution. Colas, coffee, Kool-Aid will all appear transparent on the overhead, providing that light can pass through them. They are true solutions. Substances like milk, as we're seeing here, and muddy water contain larger particles which do not allow light to pass. These substances are suspensions and not solutions. When the can of 7-Up was poured into the cup on the overhead, the projector image was first black because the bubbles were coming out of the solution. At this point, the soda was not a solution. Since it was two different phases, it was a liquid and a gas. As soon as the bubbles dispersed, however, the soda appeared clear. This is interesting. Note that before the can was open, the soda is a true solution, since the CO2 was dissolved into the liquid. Upon opening, the bubbles began to come out of the solution due to the reduced pressure, foaming to a heterogeneous mixture. So I'm opening up a solution, or aka 7-Up, to celebrate knowing our solutions and our suspensions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.